Need an easy lunch recipe? Hello, I'm Fiona and this is Plantly, where we make delicious plant-based recipes. If that sounds like something you are into, then hit the subscribe button to stick around. Today we're going to be making a chickpea salad. Think like tuna salad or chicken salad, but with chickpeas. This is a great recipe to make for weekday lunches because it can be used in so many ways. You can have it in a sandwich, or as I like, an open-faced sandwich, so basically on a piece of toast, or you can put it in a wrap with a salad, or even with pasta to make a pasta salad. Plus, it's really quick and easy to make, so let's get into the recipe. First, you're going to start by mashing a can of rinsed and drained chickpeas. I like to use a potato masher for this, but you could also use a fork. Don't over mash, you're looking for a variety of textures here. Some are going to be whole and some might be fully mashed. Then add in half a cup of onion, half a cup of celery, 3 tablespoons of vegan mayo, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, pepper to taste, and half of a lemon juiced. Mix all of that together. Now add in 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh dill and mix all of that together. And when it's mixed, give it a taste and adjust the seasoning as desired. I added some salt. Now I'm going to assemble it as a sandwich with some grainy mustard, lettuce, cucumbers, and of course the chickpea salad. You can have it as a piece of toast or as a sandwich. It is delicious. Get it? If chickpea salad is now on your list of things you need to make, then head to the description box where there is a link to the full recipe. If you do make it, let me know what you think. Leave a review on plantly.com or tag me on social media. I love to see your creations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.